everyone, I'm back at the scroll saw and I'm going to show you something that's very common and it's when the blade breaks. It's okay when that happens. It happens a lot and you just need to be aware of it in case it does happen. The reason blades break is because you are either going too fast or you're trying to turn too sharp or both at the same time. So I'm going to demonstrate that and then show you how to change the blade. So I'm going to come to this because this is a blade that I'm ready to change anyway. So here we go. You see my blade broke here? I was trying to go too fast and take too much off. And so I can usually just pull it out. But now I have to replace it. So I'm going to walk right over here. 1, 2, 3rd, 4th drawer down. I have new scroll saw blades. So I'm going to put in this little skip tooth blade. When you're changing blades, it's really important to notice how the teeth go. These teeth go downward, and that's how you want to set the blade in as opposed to this, because you want it mostly to be pushing the wood down. So there's two little knobs here. There's a knob up top, and there's a knob down below, and that's what holds the blade. But in order to get the blade to fit, you first have to release the tension. So that's this twist here. I want it to go down so it's lower. I'm going to feed the blade down and open the knob, the bolt that's holding this, and just get it far enough down for the bolt to hit it when I twist it tight. And now if you come up top, you'll notice there's a little bit of room to put the top part in, and I twist it down. You don't have to twist it super tight, just enough, and that's wobbly. I now give it some tightness by pulling up my tension. And you don't need the blade to be super tight. I usually bring it back up to about 4. And it should be good to go. Now I'm back in business. So that's changing a blade.